Here we go.
We'll put them on the other way. So
Okay. Perfect.
I need you to hold it.
Do you want me to hold it?
Holding it, I only need you to hold it for a second.
Dinosaur, solar charger, bed sheet, solar charger. You guys love to guess solar chargers. I don't know why.
You're all wrong. It's a bag full of bubbles.
Bubbles and more bubbles. Okay, I know what that is. We already have. Okay, I'm going to give you a clue.
Oh, we got
These
more?
are already on the prize wheel. Yeah, I recognize them.
Okay, there's 2 in the box.
And the little one said,
Boop, 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 boop. That's your hint. We have, there's 2. They're lightweight. They're versatile. Tops, book, sheets, tops, curtains.
door hanging,
Door
kind
hanging.
of. Jimmy,
Janelle.
yes. Storage, yes. Tanya said storage. Vacation bags. I'm going to give it to Jimmy L, who said door hanging.
Yep.
I'm going to give it to Tanya, who said storage. But let's combine those. What is it, guys?
And Candy said...
storage door hanger, Evans. Yes, you got it. Did Candy guess something?
she said pop-up shelves.
Oh, very close.
Well, it's drop-down shelves. So let's give Candy an extra drawer as well.
Oh, okay.
So this is the from J. Chi over-door hanging organizer for clothes, toys, studies, etc.
So I just added it to the carousel. Let me go highlight it for you guys.
Just like this. So where are we?
There we go.
We got the 2 hooks here. Oops. I can't see them.
There you go.
All right. So they hang on over the top of the door. So you hang that over the door. It hangs on the back. And so now the back side of the door has a lot more space in it. It has little shelf bottoms to hold the shelf out. It's aerated. You got 3 little pockets at the top. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelf options here. And for extra storage, and that'd be great, especially in like a kid's room where you're putting all their little plushy toys. You can put shoes in there. You could put anything you want in there. It is quite sturdy, but I wouldn't put too much excessive weight in there. I'd be putting more lightweight items in there. But you could use it for storing all your socks. You can put it anywhere you need extra storage. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Blankets, yeah, PC Phil said blankets. So
Yeah.
I gave it to PC Phil, I gave it to Tanya, I gave it to Jimmy L, and I gave it to Evans family.
And
Did I miss anybody? I think I
yeah,
got everybody.
Amanda or Candy. Candy said pop-up shelves as well.
Candy, okay, we're gonna give it Candy too.
Candy as well.
Candy, you get an extra draw in the prize wheel.
Congratulations. So that's what it is. And so we've got an extra couple of those to go on the prize wheel for people to win.
Yep, cool. Awesome. So we got more of those. Those are going to be featured. They're going to be featured this weekend. I believe they're going to have really good discounts on that this weekend. So if they don't have a discount on it now, I don't know if there are any discounts on that. So if someone wants to let me know or check, let me know.
This is just great for creating, because behind your door
It's just a huge unused space.
Yeah, but this little fella just there hanging behind the door, and it creates
Awesome, awesome.